Let's start our today's journey to Blue Mountains through Sydney trains. Purposefully decided to travel through train to enjoy the scenic view in the journey to Katoomba, the village where the Blue Mountains are located. We departed in early morning train from Blacktown to Katoomba, which takes approximately 1.5 hours to reach Katoomba. Just outside the train station is a bus stop which takes you to the Three Sisters. The bus number is 686. These mountain ranges have dramatic scenery and dense eucalyptus forest with sandstone rock formation. The beauty is well inscribed on the rock structures on the way to the panoramic view of the Three Sisters. There are various spots giving us the panoramic view, closer view of these unending Blue Mountains and Three Sisters, as well as telling us the history of human civilization around the Blue Mountain ranges. Geological survey says that during the Jurassic Age, rivers dumped vast amount of sand, burying the other sedimentary rocks here. By about 1 million years ago, the Blue Mountains actually began to form, carving out the deep valleys and steep cliffs with an elevation of 3,900 feet. The distinctive natural features of these Blue Mountains are the Three Sisters, a formation of triple sandstone peaks crowned by erosion, whose rocks are lit by the glimpse of light at the time of day. To get a closer look of these rock formations, we took a small steep trail in the Three Sisters. The view at these rock formation is just amazing and very difficult to explain in few words. The mountain ranges, long mountain ranges and vast rock formation actually keep us reminding that we are just a small creature on this huge Mother Earth. I hope you enjoyed this natural journey into the Blue Mountains. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.